For years, becoming a successful creator had a predictable ending. Build an audience, get millions of views, wait for brands to call, then hold someone else's product in front of the camera and get paid to promote it. But some of the biggest creators eventually noticed something strange. They had the audience, they had the trust, they had the distribution, they were helping other companies sell millions of dollars in products. So they started asking a dangerous question. Why am I advertising someone else's company when I could build my own? The creator economy is changing. Creators aren't only becoming influencers, some are becoming founders, studios, and full businesses. And that shift tells us something important about where the real value of an audience actually lives. Imagine you've built an audience of 5 million people. A company pays you $50,000 to promote a product. Sounds incredible, but imagine your promotion generates $2 million in sales. You made $50,000. The company owns the customers. The company owns the product. The company gets the repeat purchases. And next month, you need another sponsorship. Creators began recognizing this problem. Their attention was valuable, but they were renting it out. That's why we're seeing a different type of creator business emerge. Products, memberships, events, media companies, consumer brands, software, courses, licensing, communities. The logic is simple. If thousands or millions of people already trust your recommendations, owning something you recommend changes the economics completely. Instead of getting paid once for attention, you can build an asset. This is why creator-led businesses matter. The creator already possesses something traditional companies spend enormous amounts of money trying to acquire: distribution. For decades, companies built products first, then paid media companies to find customers. Creators did the opposite. They built customers first, then created products. That's a completely different business model. A traditional entrepreneur might spend years asking, how do I find my audience? A successful creator already knows. They're watching, they're commenting, they're telling the creator what they want every single day. That means content can become something bigger than marketing. It becomes market research. Having followers doesn't automatically make someone a great entrepreneur. Running a business requires operations, supply chains, customer support, finance, hiring, quality control, and reputation becomes even more dangerous when your face is attached to the company. If a normal company launches a bad product, customers complain about the company. When a creator launches a bad product, customers complain about the person. Trust can disappear much faster than it was built, so the creators who survive won't simply be the ones with the largest audiences. They'll be the ones who learn how to turn attention into infrastructure. There's a lesson here for every business. Creators learn to build distribution before products. Traditional businesses often do the opposite. They spend months building something, then ask, where do we find customers? Maybe the smarter question comes earlier. Who are we building an audience for? Because attention that you own can become one of the most valuable assets in modern business. Creators used to dream about getting sponsored by great brands. Now some creators dream about becoming the brand, and maybe that's the biggest transformation happening in the creator economy. The internet didn't simply create a new type of celebrity, it created a new type of entrepreneur, because creators used to rent their audience to companies. Now, they're building companies for that audience.